Meaning of espadrille.
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 Espadrille. An espadrille is a type of shoe or sandal that originated in the Pyrenees region of Spain and France. They are typically made of canvas or cotton fabric with a jute rope sole, and often have laces or straps to secure them to the foot. Espadrilles are popular in warm weather and are often associated with beach or summer fashion. They can come in a variety of colors and patterns, and may feature embellishments like sequins or embroidery. Overall, espadrilles are casual, comfortable footwear that can add a touch of style to any outfit.